Hello and welcome to Mr. Tompkins Edtech. Your teachers are going to be using Microsoft Teams with you this year. Teams is a communication and collaboration platform from Microsoft and it's part of Office 365. It has a whole bunch of useful tools and features to help teachers and students to work online together. And this series of videos are aimed at helping you get started with using Teams for your online learning. Now, Teams works on lots of different devices. PCs, Macs, laptops, tablets and phones. So pretty much any internet-enabled device you have at home, it's going to be able to run Teams. This video I'm going to show you how to access it on each of these devices. First up, on a PC or laptop. Now you can access Teams via your browser by typing in teams.microsoft.com into the address bar, or by clicking on the waffle in the top left-hand corner of any Office 365 page you use for school. Now you may have to sign in again with your school email address and password, or it might just let you straight through depending on which way you get in. This version that runs in the browser is called the Teams web app. You can tell it's the web app because you can see the browser bar at the top here. The web app is pretty good and it will do most of the things you need to do in Teams, but it does miss out on a few features and you will get a much better experience in using Teams if you install the Teams desktop app. Now there's usually a link for it down here in the bottom left hand side of the web app that you can click on. Or you can simply search for Teams download in Google or any search engine and it will come up as the first link. Once the app has downloaded, run it and let it install the app for you. If you're using an iPad or iPhone, you can find the Teams app in the App Store. Search for Teams, it should be the first result that comes up. If you're using an Android tablet or phone, you can find Teams the same way in the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, launch it and sign in with your school email address and password. You should only really need to do this the first time. It's going to remember your account and you should be able to just go straight in next time. Okay, now you know how to install Teams on your device at home. In the next video, I'll show you how to find your class group and to get started with using Teams to communicate with your teacher and your classmates. See you on the next video.